Whether it's hunting, hiking, birding, boating, or just wildlife observation, a high-quality monocular can take your adventure to the next level. First of all, monoculars are more compact than binoculars, and you can take them with you anywhere you want. Plus, the best ones provide razor-sharp images with excellent clarity. But among every other option available in the market, it might be a challenge for you to choose the right one. Hence, to help out, in today's video, we will be talking about the top 5 best monoculars under 100 based on their features and performance. So without waiting more, let's roll the intro.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Featuring a compact roof prism and an easy slide focusing mechanism with an unhindered viewing experience, this Opticron T4 Trailfinder WP8X25 provides outstanding optical performance to take your viewing experience to a whole new level. Crafted from aluminum alloy, its body will last for years to come. Plus, its interior is nitrogen purged, so you don't need to worry about fog and water getting inside. Speaking of the prism and other functions, this monocular features a fully multi-coated BAK4 prism, offering excellent light transmission even in low light conditions. Plus, its 25mm objective lens provides 8 times magnification to give a more detailed viewing experience. Finally, this 4.6-ounce monocular gives you a wide range of view of 357 feet, and due to its long eye relief of 17mm, long hours of observation becomes effortless. Overall, with a rugged housing, high-quality prism, and optics, this Opticron T4 Trailfinder WP8X25 will always provide you with a remarkable viewing experience. Designed with rugged material, this celestron-nature 10X25 is built to deliver true-to-life-like images. Its housing has a rubber coating to ensure optimal protection against water and fog. Like other standard binoculars, this one also comes with a multi-coated BAK4 prism and a 25mm objective lens. Hence, it allows you to view 10 times magnified objects with maximum resolution and high contrast. Now let's discuss its other functions. This monocular has a great and wide field of view of 304 feet at a 1,000-yard distance, so no chance of missing objects from the scene. Furthermore, its 14mm of long eye relief allows you to view objects for hours comfortably. Additionally, the 6-ounce monocular features a soft case with a belt carry loop for carrying convenience. Overall, the celestron-nature 10X25 is an excellent option for birding, boating, or sporting events and concerts. Introducing the NatureTrek 10X25, which boasts a phase-corrected roof prism, rugged construction, and other easy-to-use functionalities to facilitate your viewing experience. Made from high-quality polycarbonate and purged with nitrogen, its body is exceptionally rugged and ensures a secure hold in all weather conditions. Its multi-coated BAK4 prism and 25mm objective lens guarantee excellent light transmission with 10 times magnification and natural color reproduction. With a wide field of view of 280 feet, it enables you to view almost every object at a 1,000-yard distance with greater detail. Last but not least, this 5.2-ounce monocular has 13 millimeters of eye relief, offering hours of comfortable use. PENTAX is a well-known brand that is committed to bringing innovation in camera and lens technology. Its excellent craftsmanship is also found in this PENTAX-VM-6X21WP, a monocular that'll change the way you use to view objects outdoors. This monocular contains a phase-corrected prism to eliminate chromatic aberration and ensure excellent light transmission even in low light conditions. Plus, it comes with a 25mm objective lens, enabling you to view objects with 6 times magnification. The compact monocular also features an impressive field of view of 429 feet for an unhindered viewing experience. Apart from all these features, this monocular has a 17.8mm eye relief to eliminate eye strain due to long hours of use. All in all, if you search for a monocular that is comfortable to hold and offers a great field of view with excellent quality images, this PENTAX VM-6X21P has you covered. Bring Mother Nature closer to you with this Vortex Optics Solo 8x25. It's a fantastic monocular with a virtually indestructible frame, industry-leading prism and lens. It's nitrogen purged and O-ring sealed with a rugged housing. As a result, it can withstand moisture, dust, and debris. Plus, it can give you reliable performance in all environments, and for added protection, it features rubber armor. Equipped with a fully multi-coated roof prism and 25mm objective lens, this monocular offers increased light transmission, 8 times magnification, 378 feet of a wide field of view, resulting in crisp and clear images. Lastly, weighing at just 5.6 ounces, this monocular supports easy maneuvering and carrying. So, that was our list for the top 5 best monoculars under 100 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.